President Luis Arce of Bolivia faced a stark reminder of this when a coup attempt erupted after he dismissed General Juan José Zuniga. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS. Tanks and troops stormed the presidential palace in La Paz, threatening to topple the government. This isn't the first time we've seen such turmoil. Remember Zimbabwe 2017, when Robert Mugabe tried to oust General Constantino Chiwenga? It sparked a military takeover, ending Mugabe's 37-year rule. Firing top military brass can destabilize a nation and ignite political chaos. Arce's quick response and public support helped thwart the coup, but the message is clear. Dismissing generals is playing with fire. Political enthusiasts, this is a stark lesson in the delicate balance of power. Stay tuned, because in politics nothing is ever simple. Drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this one.